Come test drive the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, LED headlights, backup camera, power lift gate, traction control, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.